Tara and Tamarack here, and I'm here with another unboxing setup and demo. We are unboxing the new for 2025, the new Gargoyle from Home Depot. So I already unboxed the hearse and the gray Gargoyle. Now I did get the gold Gargoyle because they're going to be in two different sections, so I think it'll just look cool. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, here's the other Gargoyle. He looks amazing. Both of them are going to look amazing on either sides of the yard. This thing is awesome. The hearse is awesome. Everything that I bought this year is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Tara and Tamarack. Happy haunting.